Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'm going to do a video here on how to do concrete. One thing that I ran into on my home is the border that goes around it is deteriorating. This is my replacement, this concrete. It's like I've had to come back and replace that trim painting every dang year. And I thought on it and thought on it. What's my solution? And this is, I only painted that 3 months ago. And, you can see my painting's horrible. So I came up with a solution, and that solution was to form this up right here along the brick. And I'm using a log to kind of brace it. And then I cut a stencil type deal out of the end of a 2x4 for where my cap is. And I plan on doing this all around the house. It's a project, I just work on whenever, off for extended times, such as holidays. But I've got my bucket, and I use a drill with a paddle to mix. Gotta have your gloves, and for safety glasses, I'm wearing my glasses instead of contacts today. All right, let me put these gloves on. So when I first started the project, I was using countertop concrete mix, and then I went ahead and started using quickcrete mixed with it. Oh goodness! And I'm just going to use the rest of this quickcrete, but now I'm just using quickcrete and no countertop, because this doesn't really necessarily need to be a low weight, since it's sitting on brick. It's 5,000 psi from my local hardware store. And I've gotten black concrete color for it. And I'm going to try a little different this time. I'm going to actually, I already have a little bit of water in here. And I'm actually going to try to save some of that pigment and put it on the outside after I put in my initial concrete. Okay, I've got my little bit of water mixed in with my quickcrete. Actually, before I put the color in, so it'll go farther, I put a little bit of concrete in there that's going to be on the inside. And now I'll go through and this is where my stopping point will be. All right. Okay, it's been 24 hours. And here's the final product. I got some ice on it this morning, dumping a bucket of water on there just to clean it off. So don't mind the little ice. But this is to get rid of this wood trim. You know, on the bottom I got brick, wood trim, meeting siding. You know, so that's my solution permanently. I was thinking between epoxy and concrete, and I ended up just using Quickcrete Ready Mix. All right, I hope this helped someone out. Thank you. And look at this magnificent trim. It does connect there, you know. It is a little low right there, but it's not too bad. This is on the side of the house, no one's gonna see. But I love it. I brushed it with the broom late last night after it dried a little bit. And there you go.